All right, I wanted to say a couple of great things about the guys over at Sales Momentum. Ironically, they have not asked me to submit a video like this. I just decided to just be a dream customer because we always, like all of us as brand owners, want that stuff, right? And we just dream that it would just happen. So I just woke up like, you know what? This is like a testimonial Tuesday. I'm going to send this into the guys because they've been unreal. Every single person on the Sales Momentum team has been some of the coolest people that we've ever worked with in the marketing space and sales space, because that's what we do. And so we are in CRM systems all day long, marketing software all day long, and scheduling softwares. And I'm going to tell you what, they have figured out something on like a philosophical level, but also on the tactical level. So the theory behind how they build stuff is unreal. And then you marry that with the actual execution of what they've put together, and I've literally just never seen systems built this well, with this much direction and with so many talented people on the team. So yeah, they've kind of conquered a zone of the entire digital world, and I have so much respect for these guys. So yeah, a couple of things I'll say is like, just so whoever is watching this, if anyone ever watches this, is like, to make this relatable. So we are actually using different software than HubSpot, which is crazy, because we're moving to HubSpot with these guys because it would be ignorant not to. And yeah, even with our different tech stack, they were able to figure out exactly like what we needed to do from a systems perspective, not only to bridge us to build bigger and better systems, but again, the theoretical, like the philosophical level behind systems, because that oftentimes the strategy is more important than the system itself. You could build a system all day long, and if it's not good, it's not good. But if you have a solid strategy and a system that reflects that, you know, even 80, 90%, you're going to crush. And these guys do it 110%, which again, you just don't find anywhere. So yeah, I would just say, if anyone ever does see this video, that this has been like the best systems move we have ever made. And the brand that I'm here representing, it's just been so important for us on our journey to improve our sales team, the metrics, the tracking. Everyone throws around the word automations, but the way that these guys do automations, it feels like a whole new category. And so, yeah, I just want to say a couple of positive things about these guys. Every single person on the team, all the way from the founders, you know, Aaron, and then all the other guys. I don't know all the founders, to be honest with you, but I know Aaron is one of the founders. But Aaron, Ryan, Harrison, Dean. Don't shoot me, guys. I'm blanking on names, and I'm driving in Los Angeles, which is a terrible idea to be filming this. But at the same time, I'm like, traffic in LA, perfect time to get this video out. I'm obviously missing team members there, but every single one of you guys has been an all-star and incredible, and I just appreciate you. Everyone on our side appreciates you, and support next to none, community next to none, and I'm excited for where this thing goes, whatever you guys are working on, because I know if it comes out of your brand, Sales Momentum, it's going to crush, it's going to be gold, and cheers to a lot more success for you guys and every single one of the brands leveraging your stuff. Cheers.